Episode 10 of Matt Eats Everything. I've got Kelly here again today. Right here. And Molly's running around too. She might want to be in the video. I don't know. Oh, here she comes. Nope, never mind. Wasn't planning on doing a video today, but Kelly insisted when he saw the cicadas that I've got. These are also from ThailandUnique.com. And here they are.
Can I tell them something?
What do you want to tell them?
He might have got two again.
Yeah, maybe. We're not sure how many are in here. Do you want to open it?
No.
You can be careful.
I'm not that. Maybe I'll try.
Okay. You can't do it? Alright. So, oh, these look like molts. These don't look like cicadas.
But they are.
There's more than two. Definitely more than two in here. I think what these are cicada nymphs. So, they're not fully grown. They haven't molted yet. You gonna try one today?
Maybe.
Maybe. It's not as gross as a spider. Still kind of gross. But not as gross as spiders. You've seen these before.
What are those?
Cicadas.
What are these boys?
Huh?
What are these boys?
Those are the nymphs. Those are like baby cicadas. Like teenage cicadas. Oops. Camera fell a little bit.
That's why I was so down.
Yeah. There we go. Well, I'm going to eat one of these. I'll let you see it. Yeah, it looks just like they do when they're stuck to a tree. You gonna have one?
We're gonna try one by the time we get to 1 by 10.
Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put it in your mouth. Bite it.
I changed my mind.
Yeah, you changed your mind?
Yeah.
What does that taste like?
Is this the flavoring?
No.
What is it?
Kind of tastes like it's got a little bit of like chicken base, like chicken soup base flavor to it.
That's Mama's comb.
Yep. Let's put this down. Kind of like eating the. Excuse you. It's kind of like eating a sunflower seed that's still inside the shell.
Kelly, he's putty.
Yeah, it's not really gross. It's kind of good. You sure you don't want to try one?
I want that thing. I want to let myself show my putty.
Oh, you want to show your putty on the video? Yep, he's got some purple putty.
That changes colors.
Yeah, it does change color when it gets hot.
Yeah. And it changes pink.
But yeah, these are eaten, used to be eaten in Greece, long time ago, in ancient Greece. These were eaten pretty often. They're still eaten in Thailand, northern Thailand. What else? What else?
Also stretches. It's very hard when we sort at the first.
Reminds me a lot of eaten crickets, which are a lot more common insect that you can buy.
Because it's really sticky because it's so much putty.
You're a funny guy.
Yeah.
But yeah, reminds me of eating crickets or like sunflowers still inside the shell, with that little bit of like almost like ramen noodle powder flavor to it. Sure you don't want to try it? Tastes like ramen noodles. Yeah. It does. It really does taste a little bit like ramen noodles.
I don't because I don't feel like it.
Oh, if it looked like ramen noodles, you would eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Well, that's episode 10 of Matt Eats Everything.
No, episode 9.
No, this was episode 10. We
Which
finally made it to 10.
Which one was 8?
8 was a tarantula.
Which was...
9? You weren't here for that.
Which one was that?
I ate some bull testicles.
Which bull testicles? Can you show me what
We'll talk about it someday.
No, show me what...
I told you what testicles are for.
No, show me what...
They're gone. I ate them already. I'll show you the video later. Okay?
Okay.
Alright. Well, that was episode 10. And we're eating cicadas today. One day I'll get Kelly to eat a bug. He's eaten crickets before. But, I don't know. These ones are a little scarier, I think. A little creepier looking. Alright. Have a good one, everybody.